Game na! What's a beer? Let's go! Chacha!
You ready?
Yes!
1, 2, 3, go!
Hindi ako dahan-dahan rin na. Hindi masamad kayo.
You only have 9 minutes, 30 seconds.
Huwag niyo ako magtubig. Ako akong diet.
Alright.
Hey! 1 minute per second. Sana na. Hindi ko kaya kagain na. Nababaliw na kasi.
Okay. You like the chicken?
Yeah. It's so good.
Alright.
The chicken is so tender. Tagay mo? Lapit na ako? Sarap na ba? Sarap! Pero kung masabit ka, maunahan ka. Bibilis ko. Uy! Kaya mo!
Pasok ka.
Chicken chop na lang? Yummy. Sarap ng balls. Dapat fishball. Oh. Sauce. What does that mean? Need hot is sauce. Lord Alan's mouth. I'll take one bite. Alan's so red. You have to wipe. Alex so red. Hey Alex, you're winning for a 10,000. You're winning for a 10,000 million pesos. I want to take this home. I just want to take this home. It's really good. Slow down lang! Slow down! Yung sa akin to. Pero yung red na sauce, masarap siya. I finished the chicken chop. Nasa mo dun sa red, masarap. Yes, sweet sauce. Yung kamatis ka.
The next time. Nag-donation ulit sa papa.
ba kami? Yung parang animal.
Animal tayo.
Sorry.
Nag-cannibalism tayo, tol. I can't believe we did a cannibalism. Kinakain natin yung animal. Kasi animal tayo.
Ulubog na to. Mukhang hindi tayo magkakasya sa kotse mo.
Ano? Rich tayo, ano? Babayaran natin yung ano.
Yan yung may pera ka dito.
Yun na nga.
The food is really good. Yeah, the chicken chop is so soft and I finished it all.
I was on a diet, so don't blame me that I didn't finish it. I was on a full diet. The chicken is delicious.
It was fun, pero nakakabusog siya. Kahit konti lang kainin mo. Ang bibilis nila kumain, in fairness. Like yung boys especially. Sarap yung pagkain, especially yung mga fish balls. The chicken chops are the best I've ever tasted.
I bit all of them because they're really weak. The chicken is really good. No one can beat me here. I'm the best.
Hi, I'm Anatan, and right now we are at Bugis Singapore Street Food. Bugis started on January 18, 2012 at 81 Nicanor Street, and it started with just 4 tables, 25 square meter. Our best seller is laksa and Hainanese chicken. Since we're a Singaporean restaurant, so we cater morely on Singaporean dish and Malaysian. There are also some Chinese cuisine. As of now, Bugis, we have 7 branches located at Manila. We have San Juan and Quezon City. Bugis Singapore Street Food is a family-owned business. So, mas marami yung hard work, yung commitment, yung pagiging all my children are really and yung husband ko are talagang dedicated for the business. For people who really like to start a business, wala namang napakabilis. It all started with, syempre, mahirap, maraming problems that will arise, pero kapit lang. And one thing is very important is we need to trust God. We invite you guys for Bugis Singapore Street Food. Our restaurant is located at 78 and Rojas Street. It is near Orthopedic. And this restaurant is near Quezon Avenue. And we also have one in San Juan and in Manila and also in Kapiligan. Filthy Rich Asian Kids at Town Network.